May I come in, sir?
Please.
Thanks. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Koshinder,
Yes, sir.
tell us something about yourself.
Sir, I am Koshinder. I belongs from a district Jhunjhunu in Rajasthan. I did BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from NIT Kurukshetra. And sir, my hobbies are diary writing and mentoring of students.
Okay. Koshinder, when you passed your BTech?
Sir, in 2018.
2018. Whether you worked somewhere after that?
No, sir, I am preparing.
You are preparing only.
Yes, sir.
So don't you think in this way, students keep continuing appearing for UPSC, a lot of resources of the country are wasted?
Sir, I think I am taking the knowledge of engineering forward to administration, and there are several issues in which I am working, and because of those I was not able to make into the list. So I am working on them, and I am confident that this time I will clear the exam.
That's good. So what was the problem? Interview marks or?
So in interview also I got average, and in mains also marks were average.
That was the reason. You appeared for Forest Service mains also? It
Yes,
means
sir.
in prelims you are doing better? You are doing
So
well?
interview, I appeared in interview also, first service, but in final list I missed.
What is your perception? Why you are missing in the interview again and again? 4 interviews you have appeared here.
So I feel somewhere my communication skills are not that much good, and so sometimes even the structuring of the answers I am not able to answer in proper manner.
So now, have you improved over them?
Sir, I am working on them.
You are still working? You are not sure that you have improved?
Sir, I am confident that sir.
That you have improved?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Technology to administration, this is what you said, Koshinder.
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
So, give us one thing that how technology can be used for improving administration.
So technology can help in various ways. One in policy framing, where feedback of the people can be sought in various ways by using digital technology, like MyGov portal is there, where we can seek the opinion of the people. And so in implementation of the policies, we can use technology like drones can be used. For example, in Swamitwa scheme, drones are being used to map the rural areas. And so even monitoring of the policy about their effective implementation, we have various portals like Pragati portal where implementation can be seen. So sir, in this way, in various ways, technology can enhance the transparency as well as effective administration.
See, Koshinder, if you are selected, you will be working at the ground level only, okay,
Yes, sir.
field level.
Yes, sir.
So, tell us something at field level instead of policy making and all, because initially you will be in the field level, execution, basic execution, transaction level, what we call. So, at the transaction level, how will you improve?
Sir, I will make people more aware about various schemes of the government and various benefits available to them. And I also try to implement whatever schemes are there with the use of technology by enhancing transparency. So if any issue is going on in implementation, so that I can work on them and enhance the implementation part.
Koshinder, what is your opinion that the Prime Minister has gone at the Pran Pratishtha program, okay,
Yes, sir.
in Ayodhya? Whether the Prime Minister should have gone?
Yes, sir. It's in the personal faith of the individual. So
There's nothing wrong in it, but some minority community people are thinking that it is a sign or symbol that majoritarianism will take over the minorities.
no, sir. We are a secular country, and we have various schemes for the other schemes like we give subsidy on the Hajj Yatra. We have schemes like Jio Parsi. So we have different scheme for different minorities, and we are a secular country. So I don't think, sir, it is a issue of any majority will take the minority.
Okay. Few more questions only before we finish up. Jhunjhunu, you are from. Tell us something about Jhunjhunu. Can you tell me its latitude and longitude?
Sorry, sir, I need to read about it.
Okay. You're not knowing its location, where it is?
Sir, location it is in the northwestern region of India, and sir, in the northeastern of the Rajasthan. Yes, sir.
But in terms of other things, you're not knowing. What is it? Exact points, you're not aware.
No, sir.
No worries. Tell me the districts which are encircling your district.
Sir, from northern side, Sikar district encircles, and from southern side, the Churu circles. Entire region is known as Shekhawati region.
Okay. What is the majority population in this Junjunu?
Sir, majority is Hinduism.
Hinduism.
Yes.
Amongst them, which groups?
So, in terms of caste, sir, Jats are prominent, and after that, Rajputs and Ahir. These are some prominent.
These are the prominent. Percentage-wise, do you have some
No, sir.
information?
No, sir. I need to read about it.
You need to read about it. You appeared for RAS also?
No, sir.
You never appeared for RAS.
No, sir.
Why?
So I am confident in civil service, and I am giving back-to-back interviews. So I was in psych.
So that is an inferior service, RAS?
No, sir. No, sir. Not at all. But sir, I remained in the loop, so I thought that it may hamper my preparation for the civil service.
Okay.
Thank
Fine,
you, sir.
sir.
Koshinder,
Yes, sir.
you are from Rajasthan.
Yes, sir.
Where Umaid Bhavan is located in Rajasthan?
Sir, in Jodhpur. Yes, sir.
What is special about it that so many, elite people are preferring to have marriages there?
So, I need to read about it.
What is your understanding about Finance Commission?
So, Finance Commission is a constitutional body which have the mandate to serve the finance. It acts as a financial vehicle for the fiscal federalism. It provides horizontal and vertical method to distribute net taxes among the state, and it also advises the president regarding financial matter and any other issue in which president seeks for.
Who is the present chairman of Finance Commission?
So, Sri N.K. Singh headed the Finance Commission, and now Sri Arvind Pangadia will head the next Finance Commission.
Where Mr. Pangadia was earlier serving?
So, he was the Niti Aayog vice chairperson of Niti Aayog.
What do you understand by conflict of interest?
So, conflict of interest happens when there are two or more interests of the same person. Yes.
Just give some example.
So, for example, a person is holding a important position, and he have some personal interest in terms of any gain, and he have the official duty to perform. So there might be contradiction that what he should favor, either public interest or personal interest. So in this way, it may lead to conflict of interest.
How will you define direct taxes and indirect taxes?
So direct tax, when tax incidence and tax the person who is paying the tax impact. If both are on the same person, then that will be direct tax, else it will be indirect tax.
What was TDS? Is it a direct tax or indirect tax?
So it is a direct tax, I think so. So I need to read about it.
You have written that your hobbies of writing diary, perhaps.
Yes.
You know, do you write? How frequently you write?
Sir, almost on every day I write diary.
Day. Okay. You write everything?
No,
there?
sir. Whatever I feel that can impact my personality, or whatever I should remember, and anything which helps me in self-introspection, all those things I write in diary.
Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Koshinder,
Yes, sir.
continuing with the question of the member,
Yes.
what did you write yesterday in the diary?
So yesterday I wrote about my plan of the day, and sir, in how many
Do you write it
hours-
in the morning?
So in morning I write near about 5 minutes. I plan the whole day, and in evening I write all the execution part where I lacked. And
So what did you write yesterday evening?
So yesterday evening I wrote about the plan which I made in the morning, that I was able to implement or not, and what I missed. And today I have to.
What is the content? That's generally you are telling me what you did. What exactly did you write?
So I write about my plan of the day, like how many hours I have to study and at what time.
Evening. You would not have written how many hours you are going to study.
Sir.
Evening, you must have written how many hours you have studied already.
Yes, sir. In evening, I wrote about I have followed the plan of the day or not, and even a few of my important friends came with me. So I write about the personal experience of my with them and how I felt, and after long we have met. So what all?
What is the importance of communication?
So communication plays very critical role. It helps in maintaining relations, as well as it helps in creating awareness and establishing the medium for transfer of messages. So in this way, it is very critical.
Going in the technological domain, what is the principle that goes into the functioning of the optical fiber cables?
So total internal reflection is the principle on which the optical fiber works, and with the help of the light, the beams, the message is encoded in terms of the light, and it is being sent through the optical fiber cable, and it will reach to the receiver end.
And which are better, the optical fiber cables or the copper cables?
So in optical fiber, the speed of the communication is of the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So sir, in that sense, it makes very
What about the bandwidth?
So bandwidth of the optical fiber is very high. In terahertz it is. So that is also benefit it provides.
And what is sky wave propagation?
So one is space wave propagation and another is sky wave propagation. So sir, our stratosphere that helps in rebounding of the signals. So whenever we send some signals, they get reflected with the help of stratosphere, ionosphere layer in the stratosphere. So that helps in.
What is special about the stratosphere or the ionosphere that it reflects back the signals that are transmitted?
So there, the medium is in ionized form. So whenever the electromagnetic wave that goes, so that gets reflected by those ions. These waves are not able to propagate through that medium. But if we increase the frequency of these signals, then it can even propagate those layers that are known as space wave.
I'll give you a statement. I would like to have your interpretation on that.
Okay, sir.
It says that the only lasting solution to the vexed human problems is not to be found in the statute books, but in the conscience of men in power. Do you want me to repeat?
Yes, sir.
The only lasting solution to the vexed human problems will not be found in the statute books, but in the conscience of men in power.
So I feel that the Western powers, they are more inclined towards the power and money. The value system that are being provided in the statute books, they are somewhere there is the thought that they do not follow the value system. They are more behind the maintaining their own hegemony. So to answer them, we need to be more powerful.
You've taken it in another direction. One final question for you.
Yes, sir.
There was a conflict or there was a news with respect to certain de-reservation issues regarding the guidelines issued by the UGC for higher education institutions.
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of that?
So I read, but not in depth.
But what is de-reservation?
So if there is any community and reservation is being provided to them, but there are not people who are claiming that, so those seats can be sent to general category or not.
Okay. Thank you, Koshinder.
Koshinder, what is the meaning of your name?
Sir, Koshinder is made up of Kos and Indar. So Kos refers to the treasure and Indar refers to the god. So it is god of treasure.
Okay. So who is that god?
So sir,
Who is that god?
Sir Kuber, Lord Kuber is being said.
You have completed your BTech.
Yes, sir.
Which stream?
Sir, Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Suppose any student comes to you and asks for a guidance
Yes.
regarding the engineering. what you suggest, BTech in electrical or electronics and communication?
So I will not suggest him anything. I will suggest the pros and cons of both the streams, and I will leave on him to decide what suits you the best. But I will tell various opportunities available in the both electrical as well as in electronics and communication, and what are the qualities, specific personality traits which are required for both the streams.
What are the difference between electrical and electronics?
So electrical engineering works at the high voltage and low frequency, whereas sir, electronics and communication engineering, it works at the low voltage, for example 5 volt, but it works at the high frequency, for example the mobile communication, that is in megahertz or gigahertz. So that is prominent difference.
Where is the more job perspective?
So sir,
In which field there are the more perspective of jobs?
so electronics and communication engineering have advantage both in hardware as well as in software. Mostly the electronics things, they deal with the hardware part, designing of various devices, whereas sir, in communication there is the scope of the information technology. So both the software part as well as the hardware part are linked with the electronics and communication engineering.
Means ultimately you will give him the suggestion to pick electronics and communication
Sir,
as per the job perspective also.
from
right?
job perspective, there are more opportunity in ECE because our present AI field is going on. So in every stream, automation is going on. So there is huge opportunity for the ECE
Okay.
graduates.
I think engineers should also study economy.
Yes, sir.
There should also economy as a subject in BTech.
So we had
Okay.
business economy. We studied.
What you have studied in that?
So there we study optimization at lower cost, how the best devices can be made, how we can optimize the overall streamline supply chains, and how we can reduce the cost of materials or the overall cost of
What is the
device.
difference between the economics what you have studied in BTech and the student who are studying the economics in BCom?
So both are different. We study business economy. We primarily deal how to deal with the reducing the overall cost of the operations. But sir, the
Business
BCom
economy or industrial economy you have studied?
sir, industrial economy. Yes.
You have studied in NIT Kurukshetra.
Yes, sir.
Kurukshetra is very famous for one thing,
Yes, sir. Sir, Battle of Mahabharata.
and one thing also.
Sir, it was
Before battle, there was something also happened.
So, sir.
Gita.
Yes, sir. It is
Okay.
land of Gita.
Okay. Have you read Gita?
Yes, sir.
In Slok, you can tell me.
Sir, Karamne Vadikaste Ma Phalesu Kadachana. So, I'm not able to recall the second.
Any other you can attempt?
Sir, I'm not able to recall.
How much chapters there are in Bhagavad Gita?
18 chapters are there.
Last chapter is related with which thing?
So, sir, I need to look into it.
Rajasthan, we can see, doesn't seems like the legacy of something autocracy or monarchy or something like that. It should be. Now we are living in democratic country.
Yes, sir.
It should be Lokasthan. Why Rajasthan? In Delhi, we have the government changed the name of Rajpath as Kartabyapath. Why should not Rajasthan as Lokasthan?
So, sir, I
Have
don't
you
got the
understood?
question.
Rajasthan, by the name,
Yes,
it
sir.
seems like something. Still, we have the monarchy. Still, we have the rule of the king and kingdoms. Doesn't seems like something regarding as a democracy. As per the examples, the government also changed the name of Rajpath as Kartabyapath.
Yes, sir.
Rajasthan should also be renamed as Lokasthan, Janasthan, anything.
Sir, the name Rajasthan is providing some relevance to the history. It has some historical significance, like it tells the land of kings, and we had seen near about various princely states were there in Rajasthan even during the British rule. So it has some historical significance. So the name Rajasthan suits.
But India was the place of Aryas. Then should we convert the name of India as Aryavrat again?
So by converting the name, there are various complex issues, like different department, different at international fora we have to change the name, and even the awareness should be created about that name. But so Bharat also have the word, the historical context in it. So we are using the Bharat as well as India.
Fine question there.
Thank you,
Okay, your interview is over now. Give us 2 minutes, then we will give you feedback.
Okay,
Okay,
thank
please wait outside
Thank
for
you.
2 minutes.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.
आइए कुशिंदर प्लीज, आइए बैठिए।
Thank you, sir.
हाँ, आज बताइए कैसा आपका एक्सपीरियंस था?
Sir,
आपने कहा मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस कम रहता है, हाँ, ऐसा कि सर पहले मार्क्स कम रहे, कम्युनिकेशन, हमें तो कम्युनिकेशन किया, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं लग रही है आपकी?
सर आज थोड़ा डेप्थ में आंसर नहीं जा रहे, बिल्कुल जनरल आंसर जा रहे थे।
नहीं, वहाँ पे भी जनरल ही रहेंगे, ठीक है? और ये बताओ तुम्हें बालों से कितना प्यार है अपने?
सर वो कटवाना था।
कटवाना था, इसी को थोड़ा सा छोटा कराओगे या इसकी स्टाइल चेंज करोगे? हाँ, दोनों ही कराना। पहले इसी तरह के कट से जा रहे हो अभी तक इंटरव्यू में? कौन सा कट यूज करते हो?
कट तो सर यही था, लेकिन
बिल्कुल
छोटे-
मिलिट्री वाला कट लेना, पुलिस वाला कट, पर्सनालिटी चेंज हो जाएगी उससे, ठीक है? और डोंट बी कंधे भी गिरा के बैठे हुए हो, अभी भी कंधे उठा के बैठो आराम से, हाँ सीधे बैठो। हम तो तुमसे इंटू 2 हैं, दोगुनी एज के हैं, देखो कैसे बैठ सकते हैं, तुम क्यों नहीं बैठ सकते हो ऐसे? ठीक है, हो सीधे हो, हाँ ठीक है, ओके। और बाकी सब ठीक है, तुम में कॉन्फिडेंस लैक कर गए हो तुम। देखो, इंटरव्यू में रिजेक्ट हो जाना है, किसी एग्जाम में रिजेक्ट हो जाना कोई बुरी बात नहीं है, देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन इट। तुम फिर से सेलेक्ट होकर आ रहे हो तो डोंट यू टेक प्राइड इन इट, अपने अंदर, बाहर किसी को नहीं बताना है, बट यू नीड टू हैव कॉन्फिडेंस इन योर सेल्फ। खुद ही कह दोगे जी मेरी ये प्रॉब्लम है, मेरा कम्युनिकेशन खराब है, मेरा तो ये भी खराब है, खराब सामान को कोई क्यों लेगा? तुम्हें अपने आप को बेचना है, ये ध्यान रखो। कभी आज तक ये गाड़ी भाई तुम्हारी क्यों नहीं बिकी कि साहब इसका ये खराब था, इसका इंजन खराब था, तुम खरीदोगे वो गाड़ी? बस, आई थिंक यू गॉट माई पॉइंट।
तो फिर सर उसमें क्या
एट एवरी प्लेस वी आर सेलिंग आवरसेल्फ, यू नो।
यस सर।
Okay, and how do you sell? By actually, see, we all have weaknesses. No human being can be there who is not having weaknesses. But you highlight your strengths. अगर आप कहीं तेज बहुत रोशनी जला दोगे तो बाकी चीजें दिखाई नहीं पड़ेंगी ना, तो वही वाली बात है। तो यू नीड टू फाइंड, अभी 14th को है, तो एक तो कम्युनिकेशन तुम्हारा खराब नहीं है, ठीक है? यू कम फ्रॉम अ रीजन जहां के प्रोनाउंसिएशन में वो अंतर रहेगा, सो देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन इट। somebody who will come from Tamil Nadu will speak English in a different manner, so it doesn't matter. So please don't lose confidence. That is my recommendation to you and request to you also. अगर लिस्ट में आना है, कई इंटरव्यू दे चुके हो तुम, अगर लिस्ट में आना है, एक तो ये जो अपने फौजी कट बाल करा लो, पुलिस वाले, उससे कहना भाई पुलिस ऑफिसर कट काट दे करो,
पे नहीं होने चाहिए, फोरहेड के बाल आ रहे हैं ना।
तो ऐसा लग रहा है मार्केटिंग का इंटरव्यू देने आए हो।
ये अजय देवगन की तरह लग रहे हैं आप, स्मार्ट लग रहे हैं, लेकिन ब्यूरोक्रेसी का अलग एक लुक होना
स्मार्ट लग रहे हो,
चाहिए। स्मार्ट लग रहे हैं इसमें भी,
बॉडी भी
ब्यूरोक्रेट
काफी नीचे आ रही हैं, बड़ी हैं, वो अपने आप काट देगा। उससे ये मत कहना इन्हें छोटे कर दे, उससे कहना स्टाइल ही मेरा पुलिस कट कर दे, पुलिस ऑफिसर कट,
बिल्कुल
पुलिस ऑफिसर कट करा।
एक अच्छे डिजाइनर से कटवाइए।
बिल्कुल 2-4 दिन पहले मत कराना, 14 तारीख को है ना इंटरव्यू, तो आप 28 फरवरी या 1 मार्च के, ताकि कुछ कुछ ठीक हो जाए तब तक बात। ओके, बिल्कुल ऐसा भी लगना चाहिए उसी दिन कट करा के जा रहे हो। बाकी अच्छा है, बस कॉन्फिडेंस का इशू है। यू नीड टू, वो ग्रिल कर सकते हैं इस बात पे कि तुम कई इंटरव्यू दे चुके हो, लेकिन ये कोई आफत नहीं है, कुड नॉट मेक। कितने मार्क्स थे तुम्हारे इंटरव्यू में, कितने रह रहे हैं?
सर 165 थे।
165 कोई खराब थोड़ी है यार, तुम क्यों कह रहे हो एवरेज मार्क्स हैं?
उससे
165
पहले 151, 157, 165।
पिछली बार तो इम्प्रूवमेंट हो गया तुम्हारा 165। ये मत कहो एवरेज मार्क्स थे, उसमें नहीं आ रहे थे मार्क्स। 165 तो ठीक है, वो स्पेसिफिकली पूछें कितने मार्क्स थे तब कह देना, रिटन पे ही कहना। इंटरव्यू में बिल्कुल मत बोल देना कि मेरे मार्क्स खराब थे, 165 खराब नंबर नहीं है, क्योंकि इंटरव्यू के कम मार्क्स बताने का मतलब पर्सनालिटी में कोई, हमें भी ये लगा था, हम भी ये ढूंढ रहे थे कि पर्सनालिटी में क्या फ्लॉ है। तो तुम्हारी पर्सनालिटी में कोई फ्लॉ नहीं है बेटा, तुम एक बहुत अच्छे बच्चे हो, बस ये बाल जरा हीरो कट हैं, इन्हें थोड़ा अफसर कट बना लो, और तुम अच्छे बच्चे हो, अपने अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस रखो, बिंदास बैठो, और इस बार ऑफिसर बनोगे तुम, ठीक है। सो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, लेकिन अपने अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस मत कम करो। तुमने तो कॉन्फिडेंस खो रखा है। 4 इंटरव्यू देने का मतलब कोई खराबी क्या है कि सब उधर नहीं आए। एक चीज़ पूछ सकते हैं कि फॉरेस्ट में जाना चाहते हो या सिविल सर्विस में जाना चाहते हो, अगर कोई ऐसा पूछ ले। ओके, सो यू वर सेलेक्टेड फॉर बोथ, दैट्स व्हाई यू अपीयर्ड, बट योर फर्स्ट चॉइस इज सिविल सर्विसेज ओनली। ओके, पुलिस सर्विस सेकंड पे डाला है, कौन सी चॉइस है? सेकंड है, ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, क्योंकि फॉरेस्ट में भी अगर जा रहे हो तो पुलिस नीचे नहीं होनी चाहिए थी बहुत ज़्यादा, ठीक है। ठीक है
सर, एक चीज
चाहते हो हमसे?
जब
हाँ,
क्वेश्चन का आंसर देते हैं तो आगे अब झुक जाते हैं हल्का सा।
अभी भी झुके थे, अभी भी सुनने के लिए झुक रहे हो,
देखिए,
तुम्हें
झुक,
सुनने
ये
में कोई
चीज ठीक
प्रॉब्लम
कर
है?
लीजिए आप।
आराम से बैठे रहो।
जैसे मैं फिर से, चलिए ऐसे ही कुछ पूछ लेता हूँ सैंपल। राजस्थान में आप जहाँ से हैं वहाँ की सबसे अच्छी मिठाई क्या है? आंसर दीजिए
सर चिड़ावा के पेड़े काफ़ी प्रसिद्ध हैं।
ठीक,
लाए हो तुम आज? नहीं लाया, अच्छा ठीक।
इसमें तो नहीं झुके आप,
खिला दो यार।
इसमें नहीं झुके,
बिल्कुल आराम से बैठना,
आराम से।
ऐसे ही बैठे रहना।
देखिए फिर झुके आप।
नहीं नहीं, तुम्हारा क्या है, देखो ये जो तरीका है ना, ये आप राजस्थान से हैं, बड़ों को सम्मान देने का तरीका होता है उसकी तरफ झुककर। हाँ ठीक है, आप अब एक फॉर्मल सिचुएशन में हैं, तो जैसे हैं वहीं से बैठकर सुनते रहिए। हम इस तरह से जब होते हैं तो अगर हार्ड ऑफ हियरिंग हो तो एक अलग बात है, हार्ड ऑफ हियरिंग तो आप हो नहीं, यू कैन हियर वेल इवन लाइक सिटिंग देयर, बट डोंट ट्राई टू लीन टू मच दैट इट बिकम्स विजिबल टू अदर्स, ठीक है, अदरवाइज इज फाइन। तो ये एक, बाकी तो बढ़िया है, तुम में कोई कमी नहीं है। तुम्हारे मेंस के मार्क्स कम आ रहे थे रिटन के, इसलिए सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ। 166 पे मेरी एक स्टूडेंट थी, उसकी रैंक 15th आई थी, करिश्मा, हाँ करिश्मा नायर, वही तो थी वो हमारे साथ। और उसके मार्क्स कितने थे इंटरव्यू में?
उसकी रैंक
15th या 14th, ऐसे ही कोई रैंक थी उसकी, 14 थी, और उसके मार्क्स 160s में ही थे। तो इसका मतलब ये नंबर ठीक हैं।
दोनों बार उसके 160।
हाँ, अगर ये बोल दिए तुम कि मेरे एवरेज मार्क्स आ रहे हैं, उन्होंने नंबर नहीं पूछे, तो इस बार 140 पे फेंक देंगे, ये बोलना ही नहीं है। और सच भी यही है, तुमने इसको एनालाइज नहीं किया, तुम फेल इंटरव्यू की वजह से नहीं हो रहे हो, रिटन में मार्क्स कम थे इसलिए हुआ, तो वो कोई बात नहीं।
टॉप 50 कैंडिडेट्स के इंटरव्यू मार्क्स देख लो, तो उसमें से 30 बच्चों के 165 से कम भी होंगे।
फिर तुम्हारे कैसे मार्क्स कम हो गए? ये पर्सनालिटी का मतलब बेटा कहीं नहीं जाना चाहिए ना। रिटन में तो क्वेश्चन 2-4 नहीं हिट किए तो ही नंबर ऊपर नीचे हो जाएंगे, लेकिन पर्सनालिटी का फ्लॉ वो नहीं होना चाहिए। मैंने ऐसे कैंडिडेट देखे हैं, लगातार उन्हें 3 इंटरव्यू में 115, 115, 117 ऐसे नंबर मिलते चले गए। तो पर्सनालिटी फ्लॉ होता है, तुम्हारी में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ओके, तुम अच्छे बच्चे हो, बढ़िया करोगे, सम्मान देते हो बड़ों को, ये सम्मान वाली हैबिट होती है, हमारे में भी थी, आगे झुककर सुनना। जैसे फादर से बात कर रहे हैं तो हाँ, क्योंकि अगर बैठे बैठे सुन लिया तो वो तो इतने में ये आप ठीक है, शाबाश, जाओ। और कुछ तो नहीं पूछना हमसे, तुम्हारा बाकी सब ठीक है, ड्रेसिंग सेंस ऑल इज गुड, बट बाल जो हैं वो भैया एक बार तो अभी हेयर कट ले लो, फिर उसको दोबारा से ठीक करा लेना था, ठीक है।
शेविंग भी क्लीन शेव्ड होना
वो
चाहिए।
कर लेंगे। अभी आए हो क्या? आज ही आए हो झुंझुनू से? कितने मॉक दे चुके हो अभी तक? तीसरा है। किसी ने बाल को कहा या नहीं कहा? कितनों ने बोल दिया? सब नहीं बोल दिया क्या? अरे पहले कौन से किसकी बोर्ड थी?
सर ALS
ALS
कोचिंग
में थी, उन्होंने बोला था।
यस सर।
मैं आपको बहुत सीरियस बता रहा हूँ ये चीज़, तुम्हारा कॉन्फिडेंस चेंज हो जाएगा।
पैंट की लेंथ इनकी लंबी है या घुटनों पे ऐसे है क्या?
ठीक है सर, बैठने से हो जाती है, बैठने से हो जाती है। बढ़िया हो तुम एकदम। बस बाल तुम जैसे ही कटेंगे ना, उससे कहना पुलिस ऑफिसर वाले काट दे मेरे, बस फिर तुम क्वेश्चनर ही अलग होगा, फिर ये क्वेश्चनर नजर नहीं आएगा जो डरा हुआ है। ठीक है, शाबाश, जाओ,
Thank
गॉड
you.
ब्लेस यू।
Thank you.